I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now.
Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So happy to have you here. So lately I have been into cleaning and organizing and just getting myself on a better schedule. So today I'm tackling something that I have been needing to tackle for such a long time and just haven't had a minute to do so. So I need to clean out and organize my fridge. I am not even going to touch the freezer today. I just need to do the fridge. And I'm going to show you guys what is going on behind me in just a second. If it was up to me, I have one of those like huge, gigantic industrial restaurant fridges so I can fit everything in there, and this fridge just feels like it's shrinking on me. Even with like extra freezer room and stuff down in our basement, it is just not enough, so I need to organize. And I also bought some containers from Target to help me organize the fridge and get it all nice and pretty looking. I also need to pull out all my drawers, clean, sanitize, spray, and then we'll, you know, clean the outside of the fridge. But I'm gonna open this up and show you exactly what is going on. So here we have the fridge. Okay, so here is what our fridge is looking like right now. Does anybody else's fridge look like this? And then when I put stuff back where it's actually supposed to be, my son or husband moves it and it drives me insane. So they are not allowed to touch the fridge once I'm done with this. But we just have stuff everywhere. We have so many condiments. I don't even know if some of these are expired. Look at this. Dressings, mustard, stuff. We can store eggs up here. I have like fruit up here, vegetables, salsa. I have leftovers that need to be thrown out. Just everything is everywhere and it drives me nuts. Like I need a shelf just for like drinks and things like that. This was supposed to be like the drink shelf. Well, obviously it's not. I just have stuff everywhere. I have vegetables in the fruit drawer, fruit in the vegetable drawer. This thing, I don't even know what's going on here. So this is going to be an extreme fridge cleaning. So everybody take a look real quick. I am going to take everything out of the fridge and I'm going to start with wiping down and cleaning all of these shelves.
What you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end, for the thrill of it. We can never know.
You guys, everything is out. It looks a hot mess. I ended up just taking the drawers out because I ran out of counter space. Like, look at all this stuff. So much of it is garbage, but I'm gonna throw it out as I put it back in. But let's get into scrubbing these disgusting shelves because this food needs to make its way back in like now.
Regret, we make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end, for the thrill of it. We can never know regret. just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
So the main shelves are all taken care of. These are all clean. So I'm going to start putting some of the things away, like the milk and stuff that I don't want to sit out too long. And then we are going to work on like the vegetable drawers and things like that. And then I'm going to show you the containers that I bought to organize that. But I want to get like the milk and those like basics in, and go through any expired dressings or condiments, because apparently we have a ton.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble.
So I'm going to show you the containers that I got from Target. This was just refrigerator storage bin set. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. What are you doing? So I just have 2 smaller ones, this medium size bin, another medium size bin, and then another bin. Another bin. I'm going to figure out what I want to put in these bins. I want to put like some snacks, drinks. I have like a whole bag of cuties that I want to put in here that would just alleviate some of the chaoticness in the fruit and vegetable drawer, because those are always stacked.
Baby, ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la.
and after transformation. This fridge has been scrubbed and cleaned out, wiped down, and everything has a place, and it makes me feel so much better about life. So let's open this up and I'll show you what we've got going on. Ta-da! Okay, here she is. Everything's got a place, and everything is super organized. So we're gonna start on the doors because that is what I did first, and we have a ton of condiments. I did go through and throw some out, which made some room, but this is just kind of where they're staying for now unless I decide to switch things around. But I have my eggs up here, those can stay. Here I just put in our ketchup, our mustards, our barbecue sauce, because that's what would fit in there. Here I have like our salad dressings, some hot sauce, some other different sauces like teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, this sweet and sour sauce, which is really good by the way. And then on this side, I just kept our cream cheeses, our butter up at the top. And then here I just put our sour cream. I have some ricotta cheese here. I put my light cream that I need for a soup, some pesto, and then I had a few extra sauces, just hot sauce, taco sauce, and this that I couldn't fit over on the other side, so I put them there. And then over here, I just have some milk, some iced coffee, my oat milk. I had an extra organic chicken broth that I put in here. I have some kombucha that I just threw in here, and then my husband's Ready Whip, which fits better in the door, so I just stuck that in there with that. And then if we go to the top shelf here, I use some of my bins. So the next time I go grocery shopping, I'll be able to refill these or put other things in them, but I'll show you what I did. In this first bin, I put all of our yogurts and my Chobani Greek yogurt. I use Greek yogurt for so many recipes, especially being on WW, so I want that to be easily accessible and easy to grab. This is kind of like our snack section. I put like dips and stuff up here. In this tray, I put all of the cheeses that we would grab to snack on. There's some string cheese in there, Baby Bells, and then these little wedges that we could grab for with crackers or something like that. Right here, I just put our different salsas, hummus, and our dips that we have. That will be here. And then in this one, I just put like more protein snacks. So we have some of these like Simms turkey sausage sticks, some little pepperonis back there. So that's just another protein snack bin. And then if we move down to the second row, I just have some water bottles. These are just nice to grab. I really want to like get rid of water bottles. We do have like a water dispenser here. So annoying if it's in the fridge. Hate that, but my husband drinks this water. It's called Liquid Death. I don't know why. It's just regular water and then sparkling water. And then if I have Diet Cokes or any other sparkling waters, I will just set them in this row. Right now, I'm down to one, but this pleases me. This makes me happy. This side not so much, but this side yes. Over here I just have to put all of our extra jars and things that we have. So jellies are right here in this row. And then just some peanut butter here with some honey. And then I have a mayo back there, and then just some olives and some peppers and an open sauce that we may need for dinner tonight. And then this is just a leftover soup I made yesterday. I feel like this is just gonna have to be the leftovers shelf. That's just where it is for right now. And then I'm gonna come down to this third row, and this is like extra fruits and vegetables, still snacky stuff. I put all of our clementine or mandarin oranges in here, just made it so much easier. And they will be right where you can see them, so you're more likely to grab them. Back here we just have some extra pineapple, so I just threw that in there. I needed room for our cheeses, so we have some blue cheese, some Fontina cheese, some Parmesan cheese, feta cheese. I just put that there because it just looked like a good spot. And then I took my carrots and put them in a container for grabbing. I love just grabbing grape tomatoes to snack on, so I put those there. And then this is probably my favorite. By the way, I have to get this sticker off, but I put all of our lettuces and like spinach, arugula, coleslaw. This is just a salad kit, and our iceberg lettuce all in one container. First off, they take up so much room in the fridge, and they were taking up like the entire drawer that I had them in, and then I would forget that I had like mushrooms and peppers and all that other stuff in there. So now it has its own little spot, and you can put all the bags of that right there. So we're just gonna open the veggie bin. I just have my onions. These are just some Brussels sprouts my mom gave me. I open everything, so like my peppers are out, just some mushrooms, celery, green pepper, green onions, and then I have a bag of jalapenos there. Yeah. And then for my fruit drawer, I just have my raspberries, strawberries. I have some beets and some dates that I'm keeping right here. Lemons, avocado, pretty much it for the fruit drawer. And then I don't put, obviously I keep my bananas on the counter. And then down here is always the messiest drawer we have, because we always have a ton of cheese and stuff. But what I did was I grabbed some stuff here. I have like tortillas, I have some bagels, some bread, and then I put our meats here, just some lunch meats that we have, some sausages. This whole container in here is filled with like those bag condiments, like Taco Bell sauces or whatever. My husband and son love to keep those, so I just put that in the back. And I have all of our shredded cheeses, Velveeta, some cheddar cheese, sandwich cheese. Do you have something to say? Huh? Can Mama finish? And then we're gonna go for a ride, okay? And that is everything that I have in this drawer. And that is it, you guys. I finally completed something that has been driving me absolutely crazy, and it looks so good. So this is complete. Just something to check off my list. I am so happy with the way it turned out, but now I have about 15 minutes and I gotta get this little guy ready so we can go pick up his brother. So I'm just going to pick up the garbage and stuff that's around. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you know when I upload again. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.